Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. A busy start to the week for President Joe Biden. Today he'll take part in his first in-person NATO summit since taking office. On September 12, 2001, NATO invoked Article 5 for the first time in its history. An armed attack against one shall be considered an armed attack against them all. And Wednesday he'll sit down one-on-one with Russian President Vladimir Putin. President Joe Biden is in Brussels today, with plans to reaffirm that commitment during the NATO summit, which brings together the leaders of all 30 allied nations. The White House laid out key summit expectations with a focus on issues like NATO itself, its framework, financing, and strength of partnerships, cybersecurity, and climate change. Military withdrawal from Afghanistan will also be discussed along the strategy in regard to China and Russia. Which will be front and center in Geneva on Wednesday, where preparations are underway for Biden's meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Both summits give Biden unique opportunities to strengthen global partnerships and reassert American leadership on the world stage. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.